Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Now, I hope most of the students have joined the class. I welcome you back again to the soft skills training session. Yesterday, we have started the discussion and analysis and interaction about the topic interview skills. Okay, first we have watched a small video on interview, just a glimpse, that's it. I gave a hint that we are going to start with the topic interview skills. So with that intention, I have shared that video. And then we started the discussion about the same, and most of you started interacting with you, which was very interesting. And I hope you people also enjoyed that. And I request all the students to participate actively and to unmute yourself and share your views, exchange your thoughts, because sharing of knowledge is mantra of MNCs. Okay, so you should have that habit of sharing of knowledge. Okay, so whenever you want to say something, please unmute yourself, and because I have given you that option, so you can express your views, thoughts, doubts, whatever, everything here in the class. Okay, and with this note, I once again wish you all happy skilling in my soft skills training session, and let us continue today's session. Okay, before starting, can I have a clarification? Did anyone register for soft skills class organized by Coca-Cola? In the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and speak. Okay. In case if you have did the registration process and all, better please join today by 4:30. Okay, and yes, any doubts regarding yesterday's session? Unmute yourself and say, or else we move on to the next topic. Yes. In case if anybody is ready with the self-introduction, welcome. That is also welcome. We will do that also. If anybody is ready with that. Till yesterday, we have discussed what is an interview, what exactly are the things which are tested in the interview. And we just started, what are the things you do before you go for interview. In one word, I coin it like pre-interview planning. Okay, what are the things you're supposed to do before the day of interview? That is pre-interview planning. Okay, so today we continue the same discussion. What are the things supposed to be done before the day of interview? Okay, so what are the things, to-do list in pre-interview planning? So yesterday, some of you like Harita, I think, if I'm not wrong, and some of the students, they were saying that, yes, ma'am, we will make a file and we will take, we'll keep our documents in the file, and after that, we will brush up the basic knowledge. Good, very good. And these are the few points which we discussed. Okay. Now, once again, I'm posing the same question. The question is, tomorrow in Hyderabad, you are having an interview at 10 a.m. Okay. Today, what you do? Unmute yourself. I hope nobody is having any problem regarding unmuting and talking. It's not a big issue at all. Okay. So please unmute yourself and participate in the discussion so that it will be interesting and interactive also. Okay, a scope to learn language. Okay, a scope to use some words. Okay, so better you unmute and speak. Yeah, once again I repeat my question. Tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. you are having an interview at Hyderabad. Okay, what are the things which you will do today? Unmute yourself and say. Why so silent, everybody? Sleeping or what? What? List out the to-do things. To-do things before the day of interview. You should know. Being final year, you should at least have an idea. Yes, before the day of interview, these are the things what I'm supposed to do. You should have an idea, right? Being final year. Okay. So, answer yourself and tell me what are the things. Yeah. Yeah, Niharika, please unmute, my dear. Sorry, mute, my dear. Yes. Yes, ma. What happened? Nobody knows what to do before the day of interview. Don't know pre-interview planning.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Myself Niharika, ma'am.
How are you?
Okay, ma'am. First, I want to know the distance between my home to the interview office, ma'am. Then only I can prepare myself to go in time, ma'am, in the interview
What is
without late,
Yeah.
no nervousness and hurry.
Good, good. And so you will find out how much time it takes to reach the
Are you
destination.
audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are audible. I hope for the all other participants
Ma'am?
also, Niharika is audible, right? Text in the chat box whether Niharika is audible or not.
Voice is breaking, ma'am.
Mine? My voice is breaking. Niharika?
Yes,
My
ma'am.
signal is strong. No issue with signal today. Now, am I audible, my
Ma'am?
dear? Am I audible? Niharika?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What about
Yes,
others?
ma'am.
I want others to respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope Niharika and myself both are audible for everybody. Yes, I saw an S.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you for B2, for G9, 472. Thank you, ma. Yeah, right, Niharika. You can proceed. So, according to Niharika, the first point what she said is that she will find out the distance of destination from her home so that accordingly she can plan. Yes, Niharika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And good. And
Yesterday I also talked about it, ma'am. Files, dressing, prepare myself.
yes. So you plan what dress to be wear, and you may plan how to get ready with your file. Okay. And
Yes, ma'am.
all. Okay. Okay. Anybody else would like to share? Anybody else would like to share what are the pre-interview plannings? Okay. Anybody else?
Details about the company, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Details about the company.
1270 is saying details of the company. Exactly. We discussed this also yesterday. Okay, you should find out the details of the company because for sure there will be a question like, what do you know about a company? Then when that question is asked, you must be in a position to answer. So at least 5 or 6 points about the company, in which year the company has been established, first point. And second point, what is how many locations the company is having, and on what projects the company is working over right now, and on how many locations are there, and what is the turnover, or who is the CEO of the company, etc. Okay, these are the things which you are supposed to know. Minimum knowledge about the company to which you are going to attend for interview. Okay, good. And yeah, by the by, how do you know that? Yesterday
How
we
to
did,
impress the HRs?
sorry, how to impress the HRs. Okay, so you have a
Formal
mind.
dressing.
Mind mapping 4B2. Okay, so how to go over there and how to handle the situations over there. You will try to have some mind mapping, which means mental preparation. Am I correct? 4B2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and
That's it.
that's it. How do you know? How can you know about the company? By the by, you want to know about the details of the company, at least 5 to 6 points, right? So how do you come to know that?
By searching
We
in
have Wikipedia, right, ma'am?
Wikipedia, right?
Google.
Google. Okay, you just click on the website of the company, finish. You get all the details, whatnot. Okay, and what are the other things to be done before the day of interview?
Call letter.
Call letter. Okay. Why 472 is typing? Santoshi, you can unmute yourself and say, Santoshi, my dear, we should know about the company. She texted in the chat box. Okay, good. But you can unmute yourself and say, right? Okay, good. And what else?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Remaining,
We have to practice some standard questions asked in the interview.
Okay, some common, generally asked common questions like common question. Tell me one.
Self-introduction.
Self-introduction. Finish. Okay. Such type of commonly expected questions you have to be thorough with. Okay. You see, 80% of the questions we can't guess. Okay. But 20% we can guess up to some extent. Okay. So those 20% of questions you should be thorough with. Okay. Preparation. Good. And
Recap the skills which we are mentioned in the resume.
yes, you have to just recollect the things what you have mentioned in the resume. Exactly, that is important. Okay, we may forget what is the presented in the resume. Okay, we have to have the clear picture of what we have presented in the resume. We should know that, and that only we have to practice. Okay, we should know what is presented in our resume. Okay, right, and good point. And
If we are from non-CSC or non-IT background, ma'am, we have to check whether the resume is a software company related resume or hardware company related resume.
it's depending upon the company, your resume changes obviously. Okay, so according to the company, whether your resume is a hardware suitable resume or a software company suitable resume, you should check twice. Good point. And you see, I am not telling anything. You people are only coming. You see, sharing of knowledge. Now, when somebody 472 has expressed this point, now all the batch was present and listening this, they will come to know, okay, so we should do this. Okay, our resume should be according to the type of company to which we are going to attend an interview. So, see, this is the advantage of sharing of knowledge. Okay, good. I appreciate. And that's all.
We should not be having late night schedules, ma'am.
As if generally most of the students do know, one night batting before the day of examination especially. Okay, that will not work out with interview. You see, when there is no fine sleep, you cannot attend the interviews properly. So you should totally avoid late night schedules. Okay, you should have you finish all the things at the right time and have a fine sleep, so that the next morning you will be fresh, mentally fresh. Okay, right. Good point to be noted. And that's all.
confidence, ma'am.
Confident, yes. Okay, right. You have mental preparation, right? I should be confident. My body language should reflect the confidence in me. Okay, some people, they will be doing like this, sweat, full of sweat, and all that should not be there. You should be very confident. You see, when will you be confident? When you are thoroughly prepared, you will be confident, right? Okay, be relaxed, but be confident. Okay, right, good. And
Don't become nervous.
you should not be nervous. Okay, you should not think too much. Okay, and be under stress. No, you should not be like that. You should overcome your nervousness. In the beginning, obviously, it will be there, but you have to overcome. Like how? How can you overcome your nervousness? By the by, anybody? How can you generally? How do you
By
handle your nervousness?
self-motivating yourself.
Ma'am, by actively participate in activities, ma'am, events,
Okay,
we
like
can avoid nervousness.
okay, events like
Mm,
Debatings, group discussions.
yes, ma'am.
okay. Leave about interview. Now, general common question I want to ask. Generally, just out of curiosity, how generally you people handle nervousness? What you do when you feel nervous? No matter, not about interview. For example, you're having examination or some critical situation at home or something outside or with a friend. A critical situation, you are so nervous about that. How do you handle generally?
Patiently,
Every
ma'am.
every individual has his own unique style. How do you handle? "1270" said something. I missed it. Can you please repeat?
Patiently thinking about a particular problem, ma'am.
Try to analyze the problem.
Yes, ma'am. Not hurry, just calm and thinking about that problem, ma'am.
Okay, okay. You be totally calm and you just try to analyze very sincerely. Yes, good approach. And others. That is one. I'm telling each one have their own approach of handling nervousness.
I think all is well.
Sorry? Yeah, 4B2,
By
you
thinking
can.
all is well.
But all is well, all is well. Okay. And maybe. And
By listening music,
by listening to music,
we can walk
listen to music, your favorite song,
some sort of meditation.
some sort of meditation, correct. And
I think by interacting with others.
Each one handle it in a different way. Some people discuss with, some people don't talk to anybody. They be calm and they try to analyze. Some people discuss with the people and analyze. I say different types. I mean, different varieties of handling the situation, of handling the nervousness. And
By taking deep breaths.
yeah, long deep breath to control all our anger, right? And
Ma'am, by eating chocolates also we can overcome nervous, ma'am. Chewing gums.
yes, that's true. Not only chocolates, whatever grass you find in front of your eyes, I do the same. Whenever I am so nervous, I eat everything, whatever I found in front of my eyes. Okay, that is one way of handling nervousness, right?
Okay.
And so on the whole, before the day of interview, you should sit calm and different ways like having a fine sleep, meditation. These are the different ways to handle the nervousness. Mental preparation, on the whole, mental preparation is required to handle the nervousness. Understood? Okay. So and what are, other than handling nervousness, and what else you do before the day of interview? That's all. we should try to introspect ourselves. Intro means self checking. Inspect means checking. Introspect means self checking. In the sense, what are the strengths in me? What are the weaknesses in me? In which area I'm strong? In which area I'm weak? If you identify the weak area of yours, you should put some efforts to make that weak area a little bit strong. Understood? So you should try to analyze, okay, I am a little bit weak in, okay, I'm okay with the T round, like TR round, like a technical round and all. I can handle the subject questions and all, but I'm weak with aptitude. If I think I should put little more focus on aptitude. I should put little more focus on aptitude questions and all. So you should identify where you are weak so that you can put some effort. So it is important to find out what is your strength and what is your weakness before the day of interview and focus on that weak area a bit more. That is also one of the pre-interview planning steps. Understood, ma? Pre-interview planning steps. And anything else? Anything else? Okay, then let me share yesterday's PPT. Just a minute. I hope PPT is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Right. So yesterday we discussed what is interview skill planning and purpose. Also discussed pre-interview preparation, pre-interview planning. These are the things what you are supposed to do before the day of interview. Okay, before the day of interview, these are the things what you are supposed to do. Let us, you see, these all are the things which I did not tell you, already just now told. You all people together, you have already listed out them. Okay, just I am not doing, that's what I told you, I am not going to teach you anything. I am just going to analyze the thing, that's it. Okay, so these are the points which just now you people and yesterday and today you people have listed out. Just let me once again touch one by one. First one is pre-interview preparation. In that first one is dress to impress. Dress to impress, which means in a very formal, not like yesterday, like informals and all. No, okay. So it should be in total formals. Boys, clean shave, grooming the hair neatly, okay, and polished shoe. And most of the students, isn't it, you don't focus on tucking the shirt. That is very important when you go for interview. Okay, you have to tuck the shirt and button the handcuffs. Button the handcuffs. Folding the handcuffs is not the correct way of attending an interview. Okay, I saw even previously last year also few students, they just so casually they go for the rounds which are being conducted in our campus, interview rounds and all. It should not happen like this. Wherever interview it may be, whatever the post may be or designation may be, whether a big one or a small one, whether the reputed company or ordinary company, when you decided to attend an interview, your presentation should be totally formal, top to bottom. Okay, your shoe should be well polished, and then your dress should be well pressed. Okay, and your hair should be groomed neatly, and your appearance like clean shave, boys. Okay, and your even not the top button, the first button should be buttoned. Okay, it should not leave. You should not leave it. How to button the first button, and handcuffs should be buttoned. You should not have any folds as such. Tuck the shirt, maintain belt. These are all the things which creates the first impression. So dress to impress. Dress yourself to impress. And as far as girls it is concerned, right, be in formals, not in crazy colors. Don't directly land from beauty parlor to interview hall. Please, a kind request. Girls, okay? Please, you should be as simple as possible. As simple as possible. You should not be too much of makeup, hair falling on the face. No, you should be pleasant. When somebody looks at you, your appearance should be pleasant and totally in the formal setting. But it should not be like full of hair, full of makeup and dressing. No. Okay. And see to it that both boys and girls try to be in light shades. Try to be in light color shades in the dresses and all. Okay. This is about the first point. Then second one, make rehearsals and be confident. Somebody said, I did not say this point also. You people only said. Okay. So you have to make rehearsals. Somebody said yesterday in some class, Harika, or I did not remember, Harika. Okay. Stand in front of the mirror and practice. Yes. Stand. Self-introduction, stand in front of mirror and practice. Nothing wrong. Self-introduction, somebody will be there now at home. You use them. Use them at max. You tell them your self-introduction 100 times in such a way that they get it by heart. Okay. But what happens is every time you say, okay, your confidence levels will be increasing. Okay. So make rehearsals alone, make rehearsals with the family members and make rehearsals in front of mirror. Okay, you use technology. You can make rehearsals with your mobile itself. You can record video, audio recording is possible, right? Avail it. Okay, so make rehearsals and be confident. Automatically, what happens is when you make rehearsals, the confidence levels will be increasing, right? This is about the second point. Now let's move on to third point. Revise the subject thoroughly from basics. Okay, you will be preparing about their stream, like latest things and all that formula, this one, that derivation, everything. After going there, if he asks a basic question, because you are totally prepared, you don't focus on basics. And after going there, why to trouble this candidate? Let me ask just basics if the interview panel thinks. Then if he asks a basic question, if you are unable to say, again it will be a problem. What impression he may get that, yeah, even basic knowledge also they don't have. But that picture that you have prepared for all other things, that will not come into the mind of HR. Okay, so revise the subject thoroughly from basics. Got it? And now let's move to the next point. Practice perfect body language. You see, I saw this one in our college, my dear. People will walk as if like senior citizens, dragging the legs. Okay, they don't even take pain to lift their foot and keep front. Okay, they drag. That should not be there. You may be thinking, yeah, when I go for interview, no, I walk nicely, but as of now, let me walk like this. If you think in that way, my dear, you are in the soup. You will be in the soup in the future. Okay, why I tell you? That habit should be there in you, because when you have the habit of walking properly with the correct body language, like lifting the foot and putting instead of dragging the legs, what happened is on the day of interview, you need not to be conscious about your body language. When you are conscious about your body language, you cannot focus on the things what you are speaking. Understood? You see, how many things should go on when the interview, you go for interview? You should listen what the panel members or the people are saying. You should listen. Then only accordingly you can respond. You should listen and synthesize that and respond, which means you have to focus on the content. Second point, you have to focus on the language, which vocabulary I can use to convince the panel. So you should be conscious about that also. You should be conscious about body language. Yes, when I go there, I should not shake my legs. When I go there, I should not, what can I say, press my fingers. Okay, you have to be so conscious. On how many things you can be so conscious and for how much time? Let me tell you, first 5 minutes you will be conscious. After that, my dear students, originality comes out. Agreed or not agreed? Text in the chat box. Agreed or not agreed? If you are so conscious about the language, body language, that, this and all, that can happen only for certain time. Maybe at most 10 minutes, not more than that. After that, the originality comes. Again, out of tension, you do this. Again, you cannot focus on what you are listening and what you are listening and what you are speaking. In the content, you cannot think what points I can say. All these things happens. That is the reason why make a habit, inculcate the habit of walking properly. Okay, walking properly in the sense you should not drag your legs. You have to lift your foot and put. Understood? Okay, and you should, even when you stand also, your hand should be straight. Like, I mean, either you can put it in the pocket, your hands, okay, or hands at the back is fine. Okay, but your body posture should reflect the confidence. Understood? So practice perfect body language daily. You make a point, yeah, from today onwards, I should not drag my legs when I walk. So what happens? It becomes a habit for you. When you go for interviews, no need to be conscious about your body language. Your body automatically, it is tuned. It will walk properly only. Understood, ma? So make a habit of maintaining proper, perfect body language. Practice perfect body language. Okay, this is the fourth point. Okay, next, know your strengths and weaknesses. I told you, right? We discussed this point also. Okay, you should know what is your strength. You should know what is your weakness. Yeah, if you are strong in a particular area, yeah, I'm good at this. Your confidence levels boost up. When you know that in this particular area I am weak, you can focus. You can focus. And up to some extent, you can handle it. Okay, if you are focusing on only the weak area, if you have one weak area, fine, it is manageable. It is manageable. Okay, if you have so many weak areas, it will be a problem. In order to avoid so many weak areas, make a habit of having proper body language, make a habit of speaking in English, because on that day, no need to be conscious whether I'm speaking properly or not. Automatically it comes. Okay, so that when you do all this, your weaknesses will be reduced. After all, we all are human beings, not robots. We will have definitely one or two weaknesses. If you find out that, if you identify that before the day of interview, focus on that and it will be manageable. You can manage on the day of interview. Fine? Yes? Now, next is make company analysis, right? This point also you only told, I did not say. Okay, make company analysis. Company analysis means what? Who is the CEO of the company, the points what we discussed about the company. By opening the website of the company and all, you will get the information of the company, because you will for sure have a question over that. Okay, then brush up your general awareness. This is very important, my dear. General awareness. Okay, what is now burning issue? Tell me in the news. What is the burning issue right now in the news? Arnab Goswami, what he is shouting? Any idea? He is yelling almost. What is the burning issue? Yesterday or day before yesterday? Anybody can unmute yourself and say. Yeah. Any burning issue?
China is trying to.
Yeah. 12-19, please say, ma.
Rajya Sabha meetings, ma'am.
Rajya Sabha? Please repeat, ma.
There is an issue regarding a farmers bill passed in parliament, ma'am.
Okay. Farmers bill, that is one issue. And good. You should have that.
Legal cases on political leaders, ma'am.
Sorry? I did not get you, ma. Can you please repeat?
Many legal cases on political leaders.
That is always it will be there. Okay, fine. And anything else?
China getting our information, ma'am, about.
ATM is removed from Play Store.
Okay. And yes, all these are.
Unemployment crisis.
Bollywood fights, ma'am.
Sorry?
Bollywood fights, ma'am.
Bollywood fights. What is the root cause?
Drugs, ma'am.
Yeah. When it started, from whose death?
Sushant Singh
Yes. Okay. That is the burning. along all this, that is also thing which means all the Bollywood things are being disturbed and added effective things are that political people involving and many things are going on. Okay, that is, you see, you should have such type of knowledge. That is the thing about general awareness. What is happening around you? Okay, that you should have minimum knowledge so that you can have a talk in the interview. I tell you why. For example, yesterday, let us say like a cricket match between India and Pakistan has happened. Okay, and let us say you did not watch. Okay, the next day you came to college, and after the class you visited canteen. Near the canteen, after having a cup of tea or some coffee or something, everybody is sitting like that, and one of your friends started, yesterday really the Indian batsmen really they bombarded like anything. Somebody will say, and some other person will say, yeah, bowling was also good, but that was a critical situation. Everybody is contributing. You did not watch anything. Can you contribute any point to the discussion, or you will be a listener? You will be a listener only. You cannot contribute unless and until you have an idea about that. As you did not watch that last night cricket, so no idea about that. So you cannot contribute any point to the discussion, an informal discussion. The same is with the interview also. Okay, when you go for interview, when some general casual topic is being discussed, definitely they'll ask. Definitely, for sure, they will ask some points regarding the general awareness, what is going on, hot topics of the news. Okay, so you should have minimum knowledge regarding that. Now, if not a deep, in case if you have a deep knowledge, that's fine. If you're a regular follower of news, in depth, fine. It's really appreciable. In case if it is not that, at least the outlines you should know. At least outlines. Okay, right. Did you people watch this movie? What is that? That pilot, Gunjan Saxena. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. When she wanted to go for that selection interview and all, she dwells. So general topics will be asked. Immediately, she will be able to recollect the things which her father discussed with her at home. Okay, so in that way, when you go for interviews, general topics will be asked. So brush up your general awareness. Okay, this is also one of the important things to do before the day of interview. Brush up your general awareness. Okay, in case if you don't know, just 1 or 2 days back, newspapers, you just have an overview. You can handle, you can manage. Okay, newspaper, you take English newspaper and just outlines, just you have an idea. And one more thing, what I want to tell is, on the day of interview, no matter how prepared you are or you are not at all prepared, it's secondary matter. But don't forget to read newspaper of that day and go to interview. You should read that day's newspaper. For sure, there will be one question on that day's newspaper to test whether you are updated with the current issues or not. Okay, on the day of interview. Okay, one question, if HR is really a person with good things and all, and a good strategy, if he is moving with in the interview, okay, then for sure he will pose one question from that day's newspaper. Okay, so on the day, what is the news and all, you should once go through the newspaper of that particular day and go for the interview. Okay, now prepare your resume and make a study of it. Okay, you had to prepare your resume. That anyhow you have done, you will do before the going to the interview itself, because you forward your resume and make a study of it. Somebody has told this. Okay, so you have to go through the things what you have presented in the resume. Okay, and you should be in a position to tell things. Okay, next, carry your interview file. In the interview file, somebody said, no, Niharika, somebody, you prepare make your file. Okay, that file consists of few documents. Documents like, what documents you carry? First one. What is the first document? Call letter. Good. The moment you open the file, you should find the call letter, because you are going to show your call letter at the receptionist. when you're going for interview, the first thing what you had to show, if that call letter is not there, you will not even be allowed to step into the interview building. Agreed? Okay. So you will not be allowed to even step into the interview, not room, building. Okay. So first thing what you should put is call letter. Under that call letter, you should have a resume. Under the resume, the documents in the reverse chronological order. Okay. Like the latest ones you have to put on the top, and then next back. The old one should be, and you should also carry 2 to 3 passport size photos and 1 or 2 empty white papers. In the file, you have to carry at least 1 or 2 white papers in the hand. Okay. The very important thing to carry when you go for interview is fill up the blank. The very important thing to carry when you go for the interview is dash. Fill up the blank, ma. Can you unmute yourself and fill up the blank? Along with the file, paper, that, these, all. One thing is there which you are supposed to carry. Tell me what is that? And unmute yourself and see, I had to check the chat box, you know. Water bottle. Hey, please unmute yourself and say, my dear. Always I had to check it. I had to open the chat box and check. You unmute yourself and say, water bottle, maybe more important than water bottle. What is that? Think.
Watch.
Sorry, watch.
Pen, ma'am.
Pen, exactly. May I know who's that?
Niharika, ma'am.
Niharika. Yeah, you have hit the nail on the head. Okay, exactly.
Yeah.
I see most of the students in college also, our college, okay? They come, they want to give some application or something. If somebody asks you, sign here, finish. Immediately they start searching left and right, not in their pocket, because they know that they don't have pen in their pocket, okay? The first thing every educated person is supposed to carry is a pen. So-called educated people, what they're supposed to carry? Always, especially students, make a habit of carrying a pen. Very important. When you go for interviews, near the receptionist, okay, she or he will ask to sign. Front desk managers, they are called. Okay, they ask to sign. Immediately you start pocket, checking the pocket. Oh, my, sir. That should not be the issue. It should not happen. Okay, carry a pen. It should not depend on anybody. You have to go completely prepared way. So carry a pen. Okay, you carry a pen and also an interview file. So these are the things what I along with you together have listed out the things what we are supposed to do before the day of interview. Yes, anybody having any doubts regarding this topic, you can unmute yourself and ask the question, so that we will discuss this and we will close this topic and move to the next topic, that is on the day of interview what we are supposed to do. It's a step by step. We should know what is an interview, what is the planning for the interview, what is the purpose for the interview, and pre-interview planning. After pre-interview, interview day. On the interview day, what you are supposed to see. Line one by one, I'm trying to give you a picture of the interview. Fine. Now, anybody having any doubt regarding pre-interview plannings, please, you can unmute yourself and share your doubts, so that we try to, we all together, okay, try to come out with an answer for the doubt. No
Ma'am?
doubt? Yeah, please, welcome, ma.
For girls, what should we wear, ma'am, in interview? Dress formal.
Yeah, it's totally normal chudidar, because we don't generally go for too much of Western. Okay, normal chudidar is good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, well pressed, neatly groomed hair.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and not too much of makeup. Just a formal chudidar.
Ma'am, voice is low, ma'am.
Huh?
Voice is low, ma'am.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Low, ma'am, voice.
Okay, just let me check. Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. light shade chudidar is fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You westernized also, I don't think you can carry or not, but you will be so conscious about that Western general tendency of girls, especially because we generally don't prefer in India and especially in Andhra Pradesh and all, even in Telangana, Western outfits we don't generally prefer. Okay, now and then for a change people go for, but people feel a bit conscious when they are in westerns, I feel, as well as my knowledge is concerned. So better you should be comfort along with your dress. You should not be so conscious about dress also once after wearing. So better you can go with normal chudidar with neatly pressed, not in crazy colors.
Okay, ma'am.
Just think of a few more doubts. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you for waiting. So any more doubts regarding this? Any more doubts regarding the topic pre-interview skills? Shall we move on to the next topic?
Ma'am, I just want to add one more point, like we should not be using strong fragrance perfumes.
Yes, that is also, yeah, you should not use deo sprays or body perfumes and all with a strong fragrance, right? Mild one you have to use. Good. That's also one point, yeah. And added one more point to the discussion, good point. And yeah, I think that point you can add on the day of interview, I think. This is pre-interview, okay? Right, and okay then. With this, I can understand. Can I take it for granted that you people got a clear picture of pre-interview preparation? With this hope, I am moving on to the next slide. That is on the day of interview. What are the things which you are supposed to do on the day of interview? Okay. Yes. You tell me. First, you tell me what are the things to be done on the day of interview. Yes? Unmute yourself and say. On the day of interview, what are the things?
Ready with your files, ma'am.
Okay, sorry.
Interview files, ma'am. Ready
Okay.
with that, ma'am.
Ready with the interview file, okay. And
Be in time at the interview place.
in time, okay. In time, okay, good. On
Stay
time or
there until they call you.
on time or in time?
In
In
time.
time. In
In
time.
time. On time means, for example, if our interview is at 10 a.m. Okay, exactly at 10 a.m. if you go, it is on time. In time means at 9:45 you are there. That is in time. So when you go for interviews, you should be in time, not on time. Okay, right? Very good point. You should be in time and
Don't let
Very
to go
formal,
outside.
sir.
sorry. Can you please
Don't
repeat?
let to go outside until they call you.
Don't
After attending,
after attending interview.
after entering into an interview place, don't go to outside until they call you.
Right. Okay. Until they call you, don't go here and there for that. You should be available there. Right? Good. Good point. And
Yes, ma'am.
Be conscious and active at the interview place.
yes, be conscious and be active. Try to interact. Not too much. Yeah. The thing is that we have to interact. Don't interact with everybody over there. No. Little bit of interaction. Little bit of interaction. That's it. Not much. Okay. Be active. Be attentive. First of all, be alert. Alert. What is going on there? You should be alert. You should understand there. Okay. Good point. And
Before entering into the interview chamber, please take permission.
yes. Knock. May I come in, sir? Knock. You don't know whether sir or ma'am. May I come in? Okay. You had to ask for permission before you enter into the interview hall. Fine. Good. And
We should be having the copies of the resume.
yes. Okay. Extra photostat copies they are called. Generally, people call Xerox copy. Xerox copy. No. Xerox is the name of a mission. Xerox is the name of a mission. Okay. What you are supposed to say, you should say photostat copies. When you go to the formal situations and all also, you should not say I'm having Xerox copies. No, I'm having photostat copies. Okay. So you should have photostat copies of your resume. Good. And
They shouldn't
Don't
drag
the
chairs
interview
and sit until they ask to sit us.
yeah, you should wait after asking, may I come in? You had to open the door and not with a sound. Okay, in a pleasant way, you had to open the door and then go inside and stand. Don't go and just sit like that. Okay, you have to stand. After entering, you have to also do one thing. What is that?
Formal greetings.
Greeting. Exactly. You have to greet. Hello, everybody. Good morning, everybody. If it is afternoon, good morning. Afternoon also, you can say good morning. You see, from morning to till evening, okay, if you are encountered with that person for the first time in the afternoon, 4 o'clock, evening 4 o'clock also, good morning is fine. Chalta hai. It's acceptable. Okay. Saying good morning in the afternoon at 4 o'clock is correct when you are encountering or meeting the person for the first time in that particular day. Okay. Chalo. So you have to, after entering, first of all, you have to greet and don't, some of your friends have said, like, don't take the chair and sit. You have to wait till he permits. Okay. Good point. And
don't be nervous or rush at the interview place.
Yeah, don't be nervous, and out of that nervous, you say when you are in tension, you lose your attention. Okay, when you lose your attention, finish, your concentration collapses. So you should be having that control. Okay, you should not be too nervous. Okay, what happens when you have nervous? Instead of walking, you may stumble. Okay, instead of taking out a file, you may just leave something, pen or file or something down. Okay, everything becomes a mess of the situation. No, you should be cool, relaxed, stress free. Okay, so you have to control your nervousness. Good. And
We should be carrying a notepad and a pen.
notepad and a pen. Okay, you have to carry if not a notepad, a white paper on the file. In the first, this one of the file is also okay. Okay, notepad is also okay. Generally, notepad not required, but if you carry, that's fine. Okay, right. And
Sit properly in front of the interviewer and comfortably.
sit comfortably. Madam said to sit comfortably. Let me have a cross legs like this or cross feet. You see, cross feet means only feet crossing. Cross leg means total legs crossing. Okay. Can we sit comfortably like that?
In form of properly, ma'am.
You should have your back straight, and you have to sit, and it should be comfortable at the same time. As you said, it should be comfortable at the same time. Proper, perfect body language, like back straight and sit straight. You should not fall on the table, or you should not sit leisurely keeping hand at the chair at the back of the one or something. No. Okay, you should sit straight, back straight. Good. And yeah, when you can sit, when the panel members
While there's
offer you a chair to sit. Chair will be there, but they have to offer you. You had to wait till they offer the chair. Fine? Okay? And after they offer your chair, please have your seat or please sit down. When they say, what you must say?
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. You can say.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Thanks. No. Thank you for offering a chair. Thank you for offering a seat. Okay? And after saying thank you, that chair will be inside, no? You cannot just drag it. Okay? If it is like a revolving chair, fine. You have wheels, slowly it comes back. If it is like some other chair, you please don't drag. Check once how it is. Slowly you pull back and then sit comfortably. Sit comfortably. And then what?
Hand
Smile
over the
maintaining
resume.
on your face.
Sorry?
Smile maintaining on your face.
Maintain a pleasant smile. Smile is, it's the greatest and the cheapest ornament which gives beauty to your face. Smile. Okay? Don't have too much of broad smile, but a pleasant smile is good, preferable. Good. And
Eye contact.
exactly for this point, I'm waiting from last 1.5 minutes. Okay? Eye contact. Okay? Maintain the moment you enter into the interview hall, from that time onwards, you maintain direct eye contact with the interview panel members. Maintain direct eye contact with the interview panel members. Some people, they don't have a habit of looking into the eyes and speaking. No, you should not. Maintain direct eye contact. If 3 or 4 members are there, yes, you cover everybody. But you cover everybody and have direct eye contact with everybody. Don't look onto the floor or into the air. No. Have direct eye contact. Pleasant smile and have direct eye contact. And now and then you should nod. You see, good morning, sir. How it is? Good morning, sir. How it is? You see, little bit of bowing the head, body language. Because 75% of the communication is done by body language only. See, observe me. Like, good morning, sir. How it is? Good morning, sir. How it is? Did you understand the difference? nodding the head and saying good morning. Fine. And just sitting and without any moving, saying good morning. A pleasant smile and a small nod when you wish, when you greet is needed. Okay. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, when you enter into the interview hall, you greet and you have to do something else. What's that? Think. Anybody? After entering into the interview hall, after wishing, you can do one more thing. What is
Shake hands. Shake hands.
that? Exactly. Who's that? Niharika.
Priyanka, ma'am.
Hi, Priyanka.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you hit the nail, right? Shake hand. Most 90% of people don't have this habit of giving a shake hand. My dear students, boys especially, okay, and girls when you meet girls, okay, now onwards, make a habit of giving a shake hand wherever you go to the people. Of course, now Corona is there, take care, but generally it should happen. Okay, make a habit of extending a shake hand. It's really a very good etiquette to be followed in formal settings. Understood? A firm shake hand. A firm shake hand is badly needed. When you see, I told you, you should be out from the crowd. How? By doing such type of small things. Most of the people will not give. For sure, I'm telling you, especially in Andhra and Telangana, no, most of the people don't have the habit of giving shake hand. But giving shake hand is really very good. The moment you enter into the interview hall, I ask, excuse me, open the door. Hello, sir. Good morning. Go, and if 3 people are there, extend your handshake. They will respond. For sure, they will respond. And immediately when you extend itself, they immediately offer you a chair. I'm telling you. The moment you give a shake hand, in response, they have to offer you a chair. Understood? So now onwards, you see, on the day of interview, as I said previously, yeah, or when I go inside, I had to wish and then I had to give a shake hand. If you mentally prepare, it will not work out. Okay? The moment you go inside, 5 members are there, how to wish? Again, baffled. At that time, you forget to give shake hand because too much of conscious, no? If it is a habit, no need to be conscious. The moment you go inside, automatically you go there and have a bend and give a firm shake hand. Understood? So make a habit of giving a firm handshake.
But ma'am, we should not shake hand with sweaty palms.
Yes, you had to maintain that. Some people have that body nature of having the sweat in the palm. Okay, very few people, I think they have that. See to it that your palms are dry. Okay, and boys, everybody, lend your ears now. Never offer a handshake for girls unless girls extend their shake hand. I repeat, never offer a handshake to the girls. No, just hello, good afternoon is okay. Never, it is a very bad etiquette, boys offering a handshake to girls. If girls, they extend a handshake to the boys, fine, that is acceptable. Okay, right? So this is about handshake. So, what is the time? I think it's almost like 4:25. Okay then. Shall we continue the discussion in the next class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay
Yes,
then.
ma'am.
Can I have the feedback? How is the class going on? Is it useful or not useful? Or you wanted me to focus in any other points or some areas where you need? You please let me know. Are you able to follow or not? Are you able to follow?
Yes, ma'am. Follow, ma'am.
Able to understand what and is it really useful for you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
We know the knowledge, ma'am. We're gathering knowledge also, ma'am. New
if
things,
it-
ma'am.
If it is really offline class, you know, in the classroom on the dais itself, we would have a mock interview in the class, like how you enter into the door. We used to have like that. Okay, so how you enter and how in which hand you carry the file. File always should be in the right hand. When you are giving a shake hand, you take the file to the left and give shake hand. Okay, in tomorrow's opening point, I mean in next class, how to give a shake hand. That is the first point what we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay, how to give a shake hand. Handshake. Let me note it down. I may forget again. Okay. So we would have got an opportunity to learn practically in the classroom atmosphere. But as this is the situation right now, we will go with this, no problem. But thing is that these are the things what you should have minimum knowledge when you go and attend the interview. So these are the things, please kindly follow when you start your job hunting. Okay, ma? And any more things you want me to add in the class? Or this is okay?
A virtual mock interview is needed, madam.
Virtual mock interviews. Okay, we do one thing. We will have break rooms here in the Zoom only. We will try to have virtual, but you people should be dare enough to on your videos also. That is possible only when we on the video, right?
Okay, madam.
That is because when I asked you
Yeah.
people to give the self introduction, people were hesitating to switch on audio itself. Then actually, you know, in the Zoom we have breakout rooms. They are called breakout rooms. In those breakout rooms, I can conduct
Okay.
group discussions actually. Okay, which means I select the roll numbers in the beginning itself and I make the group into a separate room. And if we want to have listen your discussion, I have to jump into your room. Everybody like that. Okay, so in that way breakout rooms are there. But you people are not habituated to switch on the videos and audios and all. So that is the reason why I'm hesitating. Actually, I want to make a practical experiment on this break rooms group discussion and all. But as you people are hesitating, when I asked for self-introduction itself, many people did not turn out. Okay, so I had to think twice before that. But still, if you people are ready, we'll plan. After completing all the topics, we'll plan one fine day mock interviews. Not an issue.
Yeah.
The people who are
Okay,
interested,
thank
we will
you,
have.
madam.
Yeah, we will
Okay,
have.
ma'am.
Yeah, we will have. Not an issue. Actually, we are supposed to have that. Okay, fine. Anything else? That's all? Okay. In case if you feel that, madam, can you explain or focus some points on this area, on this topic? If you have anything as such, please let me know in the either in the WhatsApp group or just drop a message in the chat box in this class, in any class, so that I can in the next class I will try to focus on that. Okay. With this, I want to tell a small, very, very, very small story. Let me stop sharing. Yeah. So let me tell you a small story. Shall I?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Right. Okay. So the story is like this. Once upon a time, there is a big, huge tree. On that huge tree, on the top of the branch, a crow was sitting. A crow was sitting on the top of the branch. Anybody knows this story? Chalo.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Continue, ma'am. We don't know.
sorry?
Continue, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. So, the crow was sitting idle without doing any work on the topmost branch of the tree. Fine. Under the tree, there is a rabbit. What is there? There is a small rabbit. That rabbit saw the crow and thinking, wow, this crow is happily enjoying its life doing nothing. So let me also do the same, it thought. And it also sat like the crow on the ground, doing nothing. Within no time, a fox came, caught the rabbit, and went away. Moral of the story, please. Moral of the story, please.
Do our work, ma'am.
Do your work. Don't copy others. Copyrights are reserved.
Don't copy others and you be yourself.
Be yourself, okay? Good. And any other points?
You have to maintain.
Don't follow others. You have your own strength.
Okay, you follow your own style and strength. Don't copy others. Okay, good. And some girl was saying,
You have to be in a unique way.
yeah, everybody is unique. You maintain your uniqueness. Okay, good.
Believe yourself.
Be yourself. Don't try to imitate others. Okay, good. Anything else? Or that's all? Chalo, then I will tell. All the things, whatever you have said is correct. In addition, one more point to understand. That crow was doing nothing, but when it reached the topmost position of the tree, and there, as it was doing nothing, it was enjoying. But being at the ground level and doing nothing is a risk life. Candidate is taking a risk. If you do like that, being at the ground level and doing nothing, your life will be vanished like rabbit's life. In order to enjoy, first you have to reach the topmost position of your career. When you reach the topmost position of your career, you can sit idle doing nothing, maybe. But not when you are at the initial stages. Hope everybody understood. With this, take away point. So you should, as you are now at initial stage, you have to put 100% efforts to reach the topmost branch of your career. Then you can enjoy. Fine. With this positive note, let me call it a day. Thank you. You can leave the class. Thank you and happy skilling.